Hello, SakaFed. Hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are doing a collaboration with some amazing food channels. Join us as we take a trip to Spain and enjoy some delicious Spanish cuisine. Make sure to visit the other channels. They're all listed in the description box below. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now let's get cooking. These are all the ingredients that I will be using for this recipe. The recipe will be listed in the description box below. Now let's get over to the stove and put it all together. First thing I'm going to do is turn on the stove and get that pot nice and hot. And Spanish food, they use a lot of olive oil. So that's what we're using. And I just want to get it nice and hot before I add the chicken to it. Now my chicken, I washed it before I took the skin off. And then what I did was just add some seasoned salt on it. And let's see, oh yeah, it's nice and hot now. This recipe is very simple. Everything is done in one pot. And it's so easy. These ingredients would be things you have all the time in the house. Now I'm going to put some prosciutto, or you can use ham as well. Italian ham or regular ham, just whatever you have. I have the Italian one, so that goes in there, and I'm going to put that in with my onions. So as you can see, you remove your chicken. Now if you have a non-stick pan, and I could have used that, it's probably a lot better when you kind of fry your chicken, because then you don't get it stuck in the bottom of the pan. So you can always do that in a non-stick and then transfer it to the pan that you're going to cook it in. So we're just going to leave that to cook for a bit. So this is ready for my chicken now. I think you see the onions are cooked. What I'm going to do though is add some garlic to that right now. So get the garlic so they can cook a bit before I add the sauce. So now I'm just going to add the chicken back into the pot. Okay, so just right here. Next thing I'm going to do is add some stewed tomatoes. Okay, so I'm using 1 large can of stewed tomatoes. A teaspoon of tomato paste goes in with that. Some salt, teaspoon of salt, some dried thyme, and some black pepper. I'm going to cover that up and let it cook for about 20 minutes, and then I will open it up. But before that, I'm going to turn it down. It's boiling, so it's boiling up. I'm going to put it on low and just let it cook. This has been cooking for 20 minutes. I'm gonna just go in there and make sure everything is okay. Mix all the seasoning. And that thing, see how it sprouted so much liquid, and all I had in there was the tomato. This I'm gonna leave it for 10 minutes, and then I will add my olives in there and just leave it open so it can reduce. 10 minutes later, let's see. Oh, that's looking good. Last thing, so we have some black sliced Spanish olives here, so that's going to go in here. And then we have some green stuffed Spanish olives, and that's going in too. And we're just going to leave that now, let it just kind of reduce. Oh, that is so good. I'm going to have that for dinner with some rice. And here you have it, guys, our delicious chicken Seville style. And don't forget to check out the other channels who are also in the collaboration. Thank you for watching and have yourselves a great day and God bless.